Hello everyone, welcome to Essential Home Improvements YouTube channel, the place for knowledge that'll save you money. So who's this channel for? The homeowner that doesn't want to pay $80 for a plumber to adjust the valve on their hot water, to the homeowner that would like to save thousands of dollars building their own deck, for the weekend handyman that needs to fix an electrical outlet but isn't sure how to go about it. So a little bit about me. My name is Adam. I'm a licensed residential builder. I've been licensed since 2003. Throughout my career, I've worked on hundreds of homes. Each project had its own unique set of challenges and frustrations. Throughout the years, I've learned what works and what don't. As you can see, you can take an ordinary home and make it your dream home in just a few short weeks. With a little bit of knowledge, you yourself can build anything and remodel anything that you want. So you might be asking yourself, what's in it for me? Why would I want to subscribe to your YouTube channel? One good reason to watch the channel is to get free information that'll save you money. I research every project and I try to give you the most accurate information that's up to code, up to safety standards, to the best of my knowledge. So in this channel we have something for everyone. The fun part is we get to use tools and we get to show you how it's done. So if you're working on a project of your own and you might be stumped, if you subscribe and leave a comment describing what you're working on, I will try to answer it in a video. So once again, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you find this channel informative. If you like what you see, please subscribe and leave a comment down below.